Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our power panel. Located somewhere inside your unit, you'll find a black rectangular shaped component similar to this. The top center of the component is a door. You simply press in on the door right there at the top center. It'll release the door, opening the door. You'll find your tripped circuit breakers, similar to the ones that you have at home. And over here you'll find fuses, similar to the ones you'll find in your automobile. Next to each fuse is a red LED. That red LED will light up when one of those fuses is blown. If you find that there's a component inside your trailer that isn't working or functioning correctly, in conjunction to checking power to the trailer, generator, or whatever source of electrical power that you're utilizing, in conjunction to checking that, you might also check a tripped circuit breaker or a blown fuse. In closing the cover, if for some reason one of those fuses blows, then an LED will light up, and through the smoked window, you'll be able to see that red LED, letting you know that you have a blown fuse. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.